winning a project to lay a 122-kilometer submarine power cable from Jindo to Jeju. The legend of LS Cable's submarine cable continues. Submarine cable, the highest tech cable of the cable industry. Submarine cables stretching tens of kilometers undersea deliver power between continental coastal shores and outlying islands. Submarine cable integrates the most advanced technologies in the cable industry. In order to enter the specialized high-tech submarine cable market, LS Cable has dedicated its R&D efforts to developing products and related technologies since 2005. In 2007, LS Cable completed development of a 250 kilovolt submarine cable for power transmission. In 2008, LS Cable successfully conducted a type test under supervision of the Korea Electrotechnology Research Institute. The swift expediting of the permit enabled us to bid on the 122-kilometer submarine power grid project between Jindo and Jeju. After fierce competition with well-established global manufacturers, we signed an exclusive supply contract in February 2009. Production of the 250 kilovolt submarine cable to be used for the 105-kilometer power transmission network project between Jindo and Jeju commenced in June 2009, and the first shipment was delivered just 1 year later in June 2010. Laying of the cable will be conducted in 2 stages, with completion scheduled for August 2011. LS Cable has since received follow-on orders for several projects that have recently been launched. Soon, LS Cable will be supplying cables for the 154 kilovolt undersea power transmission project, connecting Hwawon and Anjwado, the pilot wind power generation complex in Woljeongri, Jeju-do, the Lan'an oil development project in Iran, and the undersea power network connecting Ternate and Tidore of Indonesia. The winning of these contracts has proven that LS Cable is advancing as a leader in the global submarine cable market. LS Cable submarine cables are produced at the Donghae plant, Korea's first submarine cable plant. The plant is equipped with the most modern production and testing equipment, all specially designed to produce long-length submarine power cables to the highest standard possible. The main products are mass-impregnated cables for DC application and extruded solid dielectric cables for both AC and DC applications. LS Cable is only the 4th manufacturer in the world to successfully produce a 250 kilovolt high-voltage submarine cable. The key to submarine cable technology is to manufacture it for the required length without cutting it in the middle. LS Cable is capable of producing 105-kilometer cables, as well as cable installations without requiring field connections. As such, the world-class technology of LS Cable has been validated. Quality is of paramount importance, so we developed our own quality assurance standard, which meets or exceeds ISO 9001-2000, the most authoritative international organization for standardization. The super long submarine cable is transported by a freighter vessel containing a static cable tank or directly loaded onto the installation vessel. Connecting the cables undersea is carried out based on the high-level expertise and technology of LS Cable. In order to safely lay and install the cables, an unobstructed pathway must first be cleared. Any kind of debris that may block the operation, such as ropes, wires, and fishing nets, must first be removed in advance. On the cable-laying vessel, 2 strands of power cables and 1 strand of optical communication cable are bundled into a single cable for installation undersea. Cable is laid 3 meters under the surface by using a specially designed plow. The control room monitors and records the cable installation depths along the sections. In sections where installation is complete, the depth of the cable is measured using a remotely operated vehicle. In sections where the depth of installation is less than 3 meters, cables are installed using seawater injection installation equipment. After submarine cables are laid and installed, measures are taken to protect each section. In sections crossing navigational routes or straits, where cables may be damaged due to a shallow depth, rip-wrap mounds are built to protect the cables. In order to build rip-wrap mounds precisely where the cables are laid, we use ROVs and rock berm ships mounted with pole pipes. Along coasts and areas with fish farms, cables are laid to a depth of 1 to 2 meters, then protected with a covering of urethane pipe and a W mattress, as well as rip-wrap mounds and stone bags. Based on superior technology and engineering competencies, LS Cable provides a total solution from cable production to installation for submarine power transmission network projects. LS Cable will establish the world's most advanced technology for submarine cables with the development of new products, including 500 kilovolt submarine cables and umbilical cables, which can transport natural gas and fresh water, in addition to power and communication data. LS Cable's challenge to become the global #1 continues. A leader of the global submarine cable industry. LS Cable.